population, NSAID use has been linked to an increased risk of heart failure. However, there aren't many studies on type 2 diabetes patients. NSAIDs may be significantly more harmful in people with type 2 diabetes since they are more likely to get heart failure than people without the condition. Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. I'm Mr. Zaman and today I'll talk about the association between NSAIDs and heart failure in patients with diabetes. Short-term use of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs or NSAIDs is associated with the first-time hospitalization for heart failure in patients with type 2 diabetes, according to research presented at ESC Congress 2022. The researchers used Danish registries to identify patients diagnosed with type 2 diabetes from 1998 to 2021. Patients with heart failure or a rheumatological condition requiring long-term NSAID use were excluded. Information was collected on prescriptions for oral NSAIDs claimed prior to first-time heart failure hospitalization. Using a case crossover design in which each patient acted as his or her own control, associations between short-term NSAID use and the risk of first-time heart failure hospitalization were assessed. The study included 331,189 patients with type 2 diabetes. The average age was 62 years and 44% of them were women. NSAID use was associated with an elevated risk of first-time heart failure hospitalization. When individual NSAIDs were analyzed separately, the risk of heart failure hospitalization was increased following the use of diclofenac or ibuprofen. The researchers also analyzed the risk of heart failure with NSAID use in subgroups of patients. Strong associations were found in patients above 65 years of age, while no association was found in those below 65 years of age. The strongest association was found in very infrequent or new users of NSAIDs. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.